When using a Buret, record the measured volume, including all certain digits and one estimated digit, and report the uncertainty based on the smallest readable division or repeated measurements, for example 19.85 plus or minus 0.01 milliliters. Think of reading a Buret like reading a ruler with tiny lines. You write down every digit you are sure about and then add one more digit that is your best guess between the tiny lines so that you capture what you actually saw. If the Buret scale has marks every 0.1 milliliter, you can read to the nearest 0.01 milliliter by estimating one extra digit, which gives more precise reporting like 19.85 milliliters. If you repeat the titration several times, calculate the average and use the spread of those values to estimate uncertainty, which tells you how much the results vary. Always include the unit milliliters when you write the volume so there is no confusion. Many students forget to include the estimated digit and report only the certain digits, which makes the number falsely precise. Make it a habit to add that one guessed digit. Some people report uncertainty without stating how they determined it, so say whether the uncertainty comes from the Buret division or from the standard deviation of repeats. Another common mistake is ignoring parallax by not aligning the eye with the meniscus, which shifts the reading. Fix this by bringing your eye level with the bottom of the meniscus before recording the volume. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources on noting measurement uncertainty with Burets.